What's up, guys? We are at a special place today, a different stadium than the Seattle Mariners. Today we are at Angel Stadium. This is the fourth oldest stadium in all of baseball. Yeah. It housed the Los Angeles Rams way back in the day, and then they built it back into a baseball field.
It's my first time sleeping here.
It's your first time here?
Yeah.
We are sitting in section 405. We parked in preferred parking. It's kind of weird. It's just like a big parking lot here instead of like parking garages. It was only $30 to park preferred, which is like more than half the price of the Mariners.
Yeah, we're gonna get a hat.
And it's a hat giveaway tonight. Hat giveaway. It's fireworks tonight. So we will give you guys kind of like just a tour of someone's first time at a Angels game. And Carson got this. I bought this on eBay for him. It was a giveaway last year with the City Connect. Are you guys excited? I can't wait. Cody, you excited for the baseball game? How about you, Chloe? You excited?
Yeah. Stop.
What?
Stop.
Oh, your time's off?
Yeah, it's 9:59 a.m.
Ooh, it's early. No, this is a night game.
Yeah, and before, like earlier today, like at 7, it said 12 a.m.
Well, this is actually your third baseball stadium, right?
It is.
Because you've been to Yankee Stadium, and then the Mariners, and now the Angel Stadium. Are you excited?
I am excited.
Camden, are you excited for a baseball game? Yeah! Yeah! It'll be so fun, and we all have you guys are in red, but I'm wearing blue for the Royals, apparently. But I'll root for the Angels since they suck. But they're in our division, so secretly I don't care if they lose, but we'll see. Those hats are so cool. So this is home plate gate.
Can we take a picture over there?
This hat, on the inside it says, way up there, 649.5 is the size of the hat. And then there's the Mickey statues. That one's from the All-Star game. 2010 All-Star game. That's cool. Alright, we got our hat giveaway. It's pretty cool. I like this hat, Cooper. What do you think? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Cool. We're officially in the stadium. Carson, let me see your hat. Hell yeah, I love it. Love it. Hi, Camden. Are you excited for the game?
Yeah.
It's gonna be so fun. You guys want to do like a loop around?
I want to look at the store.
Want to go in the store right here? Really quick? Okay. Okay, we'll check out the team store. Why not? Ooh, Rally Monkey. Oh, look, they even have City Connect for babies up there. Like outdoor area with some pizza and beer and waffles. And then the cookie place up here. It's Cookie Truck. If you want the schedule, you can scan it right there. We're in level 405. Carter, this isn't our seats. I just wanted to look. Wow. So beautiful out today. Okay, we're up on the 200 level now. And then we walk around and go back there to the rock formation. Want to go see the rock, Carson?
Yeah.
Okay, we're over at the right field pavilion, close to center field now. We got Crazy Mac over here getting helmet ice cream.
Lemonade, alright.
Look at this. Helmet ice cream, heck yes. That's what I'm talking about. Those $6 tickets just became more than $6. Get a little pit stop. Yeah, we took a little pit stop over in right field. We're gonna just sit here and eat our ice cream, maybe catch a ball. Maybe we'll get a ball for batting practice, Cody. How's your ice cream, buddy? Is it good? We're right under the screen right now. Well, Cooper, you said you saw them. The sign, Cooper's reading a sign over there. I thought he saw someone, but he was just reading a sign.
Medium prize tomorrow with an Angels victory and any $2 purchase only on the app at participating McDonald's. $1 per person.
Stadium's actually pretty big. So our seats are like up there, 405. See?
A Mickey Mouse Angel stuff in.
Really?
Yeah, like he has a hat and a jersey.
Cool. Okay, now we're the center field by the rock. Coors Light fan deck, I think it's called, like a fan deck or something. Live music. The chill zone, Carson. So yeah, this scooper, if you look over in the rock, it's kind of in the shape of an A.
Yeah.
Do you notice it's like shape of an A?
I love that.
Isn't that cool? How is it holding Cam?
He's heavy.
Right? He's a lug. Sorry I can't hold you because I'm not past my 2-week mark for surgery. I know, I'm so sad. Otherwise, I'd be happy to hold you, Cam. Yeah, Wawa. Okay, we are heading up the ramp to our seats right now. Carter's grumpy. It's past his bedtime. He usually is about going to bed about the time this game starts. So hopefully we survive the night. We'll see. So one thing I've noticed already, it's very not busy for a Friday night with a giveaway and fireworks.
I went to a giveaway yesterday.
Carson was at a giveaway last night, and let me tell you, the Mariners Stadium is much busier than here, which is actually kind of nice. Like, no lines, it's not crazy. It's been fun so far. All right, so we're 405 is our section right here, and right next to it is the outlet team store, where everything is 50% off, Carson. 50% off. All right, we are officially at our seats, section 405, row D, 1 through 7. It is steep. This walkway right there is steep. Cooper, are you gonna get on camera? It's a pretty good view from these seats. Carson, what do you think about the seats? And what are we gonna do after right soon? Look at, where are we gonna go look?
At the outlet store.
The outlet store. Tiny little outlet shop. The outlet store was kind of a bust. Carson, the outlet store wasn't that great, was it? No, it was like super small. But what? Tell them, what did you notice at one of the other stores that you liked?
The Mickey Mouse Angel stuff.
So cool. Whoa. Go Mariners, I mean go Angels.
Xander, let's hear it.
Play ball!
Love that energy. Xander, one more time. And now it's time for the
So it's definitely crazy. Not many people here for a firework night and a giveaway. I don't even think they gave away all the hats. I think they had 20,000 hats. But it's nice, not too crowded. We got fireworks going off.
The second baseman.
It's a firework night tonight. Oh, they do a firework for every guy that comes out. That's cool. Carter, let me see your hat, Carter. Whoa, Cody, will you stop? Oh my God. Cody is beyond cracked. They go Angels. Hi, Crimson. Did you get it? You got the hat shuffle?
Yeah.
Like doing the cap shuffle right now. It's time for the Pac-Man race.
They both going to be good for the blue goes, Cole is crushing it, and he's going to be a winner for sure. There we go. Congratulations, Cole. You're going home with a panda.
They just scored 2 more. It is 9-3 Angels. Let's go Angels, 9-3. Camden, it is the top of the ninth. 3 more outs and the Angels are going to win this game, and then we're going to go to the fireworks show. You want to watch the fireworks, Cam? 1 more out until we win. 1 more out. Chloe, it's almost over. It's almost over.
Second baseman, number 2, Garrett.
almost time. Definitely had a fun time at this Angels game. We're gonna fireworks go boom, boom, boom. Alright guys, so the Chick-fil-A, we got, the Angels earned us a free Chick-fil-A sandwich, so Carson's getting a Chick-fil-A sandwich. No Chick-fil-A sauce or lemonade. But it was a fun time at our first ever Angels game. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, subscribe and look for more videos, and we will see you in the next one. Cooper, you want to say anything? Hold on, flip this around.
Well, this morning, Dad said I asked to go bathroom. I asked him we're stopping at the Taco. I asked them we're going on vacation. They said no, we were going to a Mills game. Then they told us that we're going to Angel Stadium in Disneyland for 4 days, and we're going to the park tomorrow morning when we wake up first thing.
Yep, we'll see you at Disneyland
see you guys
tomorrow.
tomorrow.
Say bye, Carter.
Bye. Bye.
A lemonade.